Yeah, this is a camping cave almost, near this potato knob. And look at these rocks. They're overhanging us on this red diamond trail to the top. You can see where some have fallen down. That is not, you don't want to be underneath of that when they let loose. Look at this. Wow. It just keeps going. It's gonna get right to the top there. Hokas are the official proof shoes for this hike here. And we're on top of those rocks. Hey, there's a bench and a view. All right, this is it, the potato knob. Good place to, you can catch the sunset just barely here. This is the longest day of the year. This is summer solstice, so I guess the sun's as high as it's gonna get in the sky. Other times it'll be down that way, but you can still see it. You can hear that waterfall down there. I just want to go on record saying this rock right here is not solid. It moves. Beware anybody that goes over here.